Standard 3rd, Unit 2, Session 6, topic about hospital, firefighter and agriculture. Today we will learn about hospital. A hospital is a place where a person goes to be healed when he or she is sick or injured. Doctors and nurses work at hospitals. Doctors make use of advanced medical technology to heal patients. The hospital may charge money for treatments, checkups, or the treatment may be free or the money will be paid by the government on behalf of the patient. A hospital is a healthcare institution providing patient treatment with specialized medical and nursing staff and medical equipment. The best known type of hospital is the general hospital, which typically has an emergency department to treat urgent health problems ranging from fire and accident victims to a sudden illness. A district hospital typically is the major healthcare facility in its region with many beds for intensive care and additional beds for patients who need long-term care. Specialized hospitals can help reduce healthcare costs compared to general hospitals. Hospitals are classified as general, specialty or government depending on the sources of income received. A teaching hospital combines assistance to people with teaching to medical students and nurse. A medical facility smaller than a hospital is generally called a clinic. Hospitals have a range of departments, for example, surgery and urgent care, and specialist units such as cardiology. Some hospitals have outpatient departments and some have chronic treatment units. Hospitals are usually founded by the public sector, health organizations, health insurance companies, or charities including direct charitable donations. In developed countries, the hospital as an institution is complex and it is made more so as modern technology increases the range of diagnostic capabilities and expands the possibilities for treatment. Then next, firefighter. Firefighters or firemen are people whose job is to put out fires and rescue people. Besides fires, firefighters rescue people and animals from car wrecks, collapsed buildings, stuck elevator and many other emergencies. Firefighting is a job which requires bravery, strength, quick thinking, and a wide range of skills. Firefighters are based at a building called a fire station, also known as a firehouse or fire hall. When their help is needed, they drive a vehicle called a fire engine or fire truck to the scenes responding code 1, code 2 and code 3. These vehicles can pump water and foam to put out fires. Fire engines also carry ladders, cutting tools, and lots of different types of rescue equipment. Most carry first aid kits to help people who are injured or hurt. Firefighters wear heavy clothing to protect them from the heat when they are fighting with a fire. They wear a breathing apparatus of protect themselves from breathing in smoke. Then next, fire department. Depending on the country, the agency firefighters work for is called a fire department, fire service, fire and rescue service or fire brigade. Fire departments are usually government agencies that are funded by taxes and look after a local area. Some sites employ their own firefighters, such as airports and some factories. Some fire departments employ firefighters who work full time and wait at the fire station to be called out. They have to work both in the daytime and at night, though they can usually have a rest if they have nothing to do at night. Don't you think the green fields are beautiful? Yes, they are. Who are the people working here? They are farmers. It is because of them that we are getting food and we remain happy. Do you know the agriculture? Let us learn about detail. Agriculture is the science and art of cultivating plants and livestock. Agriculture was the key development in the rise of sedentary human civilization, whereby farming of domesticated species created food surpluses that enabled people to live in cities. The history of agriculture began thousands of years ago. After gathering wild cranes beginning at least 1,05,000 years ago, nascent farmers began to plant them around 11,500 years ago. Pigs, sheep and cattle were domesticated over 10,000 years ago. Plants were independently cultivated in at least 11 regions of the world. Industrial agriculture based on large-scale monoculture in the 20th century came to dominate agricultural output, though about 2 billion people still depended on subsistence agriculture into the 21st. Modern agronomy, plant breeding, agrochemicals such as pesticides and fertilizers, and technological developments have sharply increased yields while causing widespread ecological and environmental damage. Selective breeding and modern practice in animal husbandry have similarly increased the output of meat, but have raised concern about animal welfare and environmental damage. The major agricultural products can be broadly grouped into foods, fibers, fuels, and raw materials. Food classes include grains, vegetables, fruits, oils, meat, milk, fungi, and eggs. Students, let us see names of some food items. Salad, sandwich, bread, fish, rice, pizza, eggs, cheese, apple juice, grape juice, milk, and cake. Next, students, say the names of some grains. Let us see corn, beet, rice, bean, oats, sunflower, pumpkin, soya, barley, peas. Students, say the names of some cereals and pulses. Cereals name wheat, maize, oats, lupin, canola, and pulses pea, lentil, chickpea, and soya beans. Okay, students? Over 1/3 of the world's workers are employed in agriculture, second only to the service sector, although the number of agricultural workers in developed countries has decreased significantly over the centuries. Students, can you able to understand the lesson clearly? Okay, now go to quiz and activity. The first Roman letter, fill in the blanks with options. Options: bell, firefighters, first aid. The first question, the dash is a warning to the people on the road. Tell me the correct answer. Wow, super. The correct answer is bell. The second question, the dash are well trained to carry out their duties. Tell me the correct answer. Very good. The correct answer is firefighters. The third question, dash is a life-saving aid that is given before the actual treatment of a victim. Superb. The answer is first aid. Then next, question answer. Question with answer. First question, who are firefighters? The answer, firefighters are the one who save people and properties from fire. Second question, write about farmers. The answer, farmers are working in fields, so we are getting food and remain happy. Students, today homework, question and answer. The question and answer, write neatly. Okay students, we will see you in the next class. Happy learning. Bye.